Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a clear source image and copying its URL. This is your seed input. Once done, paste that URL into a Midjourney prompt in Discord so the bot can read it. Make sure to include a seed number between 0 and 4,294,967,295 and add an aspect ratio such as 16:9 to control composition. You do this now to lock initial randomness. It speeds iteration and gives a predictable baseline for later tweaks. You now craft a detailed prompt that pairs with the seed. Name the subject, specify style, lighting, and color palette so Midjourney understands intent. Then append parameters like seed 12,345, R16, 9, stylize 50, and quality 2 to adjust fidelity and creativity. Once the first generation appears, use V buttons for variations, U buttons to upscale, and enable remix when you want bigger prompt changes. This layered approach controls randomness while letting you explore options efficiently. You finish by picking your final upscale and saving the image along with the exact seed and prompt so you can reproduce results later. If output style drifts or details blur, rerun the same seed with a tighter prompt, lower the stylized value, or increase quality to regain control. If artifacts persist, adjust aspect ratio, use negative prompt elements to remove unwanted items, and rerun. This targeted tweaking fixes most problems without starting from scratch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.